What's his name?
Garcia.
Garcia. What's up? Hello. 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 What a big old bird that is. Hey, this bird just landed here. We were sitting out here smoking, and this bird just flew up and sat down. I know you don't believe that, but it's true. He's got a tag or something on. He might be a messenger bird. Here, you got a message for me? You got a message? Hello? Hello? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird? You are a pretty bird? You'd be a biting bird if I got any closer, wouldn't you? Uh-oh. Turn his head upside down. What does that mean? Hello, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Mike and Maybelline on YouTube.